These
Wait, what?
are called Rocky Mountain oysters.
What is that?
But they're not seafood. Cowboys in the Old West were nuts for them. You'll get why that's funny in a minute. Some people even consider them aphrodisiacs. But can they really help your love life? And where, oh where, can you try them? A Colorado baseball stadium? Back in ancient Rome? Western-themed restaurants? At a testicle festival? Stay tuned as we uncover the bull about these balls. To some people, eating Rocky Mountain oysters proves their manhood.
You really know how to do this, girl.
Yeah, I do.
Or to get a friend to eat something they usually wouldn't,
Colorado specialty, Rocky Mountain oysters.
the host waits until the end of the meal to reveal what they just ate.
They're bull testicles. I cut them off fresh this morning.
That's friendly.
Ha!
Also known as prairie oysters, ranchers created Rocky Mountain oysters out of necessity. Each spring, ranchers castrated their bulls to make them healthier, more manageable, and less aggressive.
You might be disappointed in the results.
This also helped control the cattle population. Then they fed the bulls' balls to the dogs, or threw them out. But protein was vital for survival, so cowboys decided to give the testicles a taste. The bull balls proved to be high in vitamins and minerals, not to mention tasty. This reduced waste. Besides, frying anything makes it much more appetizing. But eating an animal's offal isn't that unusual. Many cultures have a tradition of eating organs such as the liver and kidneys. And some enjoy heart, tripe, and tongue as delicacies. Ancient Romans thought eating animal testicles was a remedy for issues men had in their groins, including erectile dysfunction. But before you rush out to find some Rocky Mountain oysters, you should know that there's no proof that eating them will elevate your testosterone level, increase virility, or stamina.
Okay.
If you still want to try them, Western-themed restaurants serve these tasty testicles, and they're particularly popular in Colorado. You can even buy them at concession stands while watching Colorado's baseball team. People love Rocky Mountain oysters so much that testicle festivals throughout Colorado and Montana celebrate this bullish delicacy. So if you picked all the answers above, congratulations, you win! And your prize is a Rocky Mountain oyster. Of course, you'll have to get it yourself, so there's that. To prepare this cowboy caviar, coat the balls in a mix of flour, cornmeal, and spices. Then fry them and serve them with horseradish sauce, hot sauce, or some other condiment to, help cover it up. You can also slice the testicles before coating and frying them. But the big question is, what do bull balls taste like?
It's almost like a weird, chicken nugget.
Some people compare the flavor to fried calamari.
Kind of have to, admit now that I like balls in my mouth.
Others describe it as seasoned rubber.
Tastes like procreation.
Sounds delicious. Or it may have a gamey quality, like breaded venison. Do you have the balls to eat this bull? If not, don't worry. Instead, you could try a cheese filled with maggots. That sounds more appetizing, doesn't it? You're welcome. We'll have a look at that tasty treat on another episode of Origins of Food.